Hi everyone. It will be very short video because our subject is to and as well. In Turkish both of them means same. We use de or da. But the point is we write them separately and hard and soft vowel rules work here as well. Let me give you an example. Lemon is yellow, but taxi is yellow too. Or lemon is yellow, but taxi is yellow as well. In Turkish we write this sentence like that. Limon sarı ama taksi de sarı. As you see, in this case, we use de separately. As you see, the subject is that much simple. You will just be careful about hard and soft vowel rules. See you soon.